They're all under the boat, Bubba. Look at them all down there.
Look at them, they're jumping.
They're jumping. Look at them right by the boat. Look it.
You see them?
They're dolphins. You see them all jumping? They like those waves. Did it. Last island. My mom's out here somewhere. There she is.
Oh, okay.
See that big boat, Bowie? We're parked.
Reach the ocean. Jumping in the ocean in contact with the cold water, there is a huge explosion and huge amount of black sand is formed that way. I know firsthand from the last. You guys know what happened in 2018 here? No?
No.
You don't follow the news? It wasn't over the news. I was called from Italy. Hilo, are you okay?
Stop the beach. You wanna go see a black sand beach? It's all black.
Yeah.
The sand is black. Oh, look at the black sand.
Well, oh.
Look at that black sand.
Bowie, sit up.
Whoa, don't throw it on me.
Oh, I know,
Hey, don't throw it, just play with it. Don't get it on your clothes. Woohoo!
Dancing hula all the way to your seat. Dancing hula. Come on, come on. She's sunbathing. Sunbathing. She collects all the sun energy. Many things here. Many, how would you say? Everything here has a legend or a story about. You see the stone bridge over there to that side? They were taken apart in Japan, transported here, and reassembled on location here. That island, it is a small island, although it's connected by a walkable bridge. But that island is nicknamed by the local Coconut Island. But the real Hawaiian name is Mokuola. Mokuola.
When the sunlight hits it, see it's kind of at the top there.
What are we doing?
Everybody wave hi! Rainbow Falls, Hawaii! Well, what do you think? Pretty cool? Look at that rainbow. That's so cool. Like how the water changes colors like that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There's your ice cream. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can eat some cookie too. Will, smile. Nice, dudes. Got some macadamia nut cookie. Is it good? Don't drop it.
Say hi. We're at a park.
Nice. And it flows down.
No, baby.
All of it is
That was erupting 15 days ago. This is a volcano. Inside the volcano, you know the big hole on top?
Yeah. Is that a crater?
That's a crater, yeah.
Are we gonna go in the volcano too?
Yeah, we're gonna do that next.
Is this one? Okay.
It's old lava. These rocks.
Do you get to touch the lava?
No, you don't want to touch the lava. Because it'll burn you.
Is it hot?
Super hot.
How hot?
Very hot. Just comes up out of the ground. This is so cool. Mm-hmm. That's old lava.
Why is it lava?
Owie, what is that?
Well,
Owie, what is it?
Okay, you guys
Steam?
photo your children, yeah?
Yeah. Sarah, it's warm. You know how warm the water is down there?
you feel it come over here?
How warm the water is down there?
160 to 190 degrees.
Wow.
Fall down there, you get steam. I stand like that.
The steam on.
Yeah. You see people throw money?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's very dangerous. Kids can take If you really want to throw money, throw them in a little bit. I guarantee you, your wish comes true. Look at this, yeah? Okay, kids, look at this. You can take a video if you like.
See that?
There it is.
That's a moving plant.
You see it?
I did a little, I couldn't see it here. Oh, look at that. See it, Will?
And then after a while, they open up again. When the danger is gone away, then they
Oh, that's
open
cool.
up again.
Look at that.
Right here? Does it only happen right here by the fence?
They close. All right, come on.
All right, we gotta get back.
Close them.
Nice.
No more reaching. You're going too far. Makes me nervous.
Cool, dude.
What? You want to dance? Okay, fine. You can dance. All right, come on. You did?
And then you hike the lava lake, and then you go back up and find yourself in front of the lava tube. Here, you guys just a few minutes.
Or like a whole loop is a half mile. There's a spooky cave. Will, turn around and smile with Mama.
He's getting their picture. Hold on, freeze.
Go in, Mama. Go in, Mama. Hurry. Nope. Wow. This was all lava in here. No.
It's just
Oh, watch your steps. Yeah. Will, look at me and smile. Will, and Jojo. Hug. Here. Smile. What do you think, Will? Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go. Yeah. Look at it. This was all formed by lava, Will. Wow, Will. Look at all these roots. These are roots from trees, Will. Growing through here. These are roots from trees growing through the cave. That's so cool. It's the end of the lava tube. Oh, look at that. It keeps going. A little cave. Is that cool down there? There's Papa. Hi, Papa. No, we only get one time to go down. What do you think, Owie?
All right, well, stop.
Hi, Owie.
Are you okay?
Come on up.
Look at that mountain. And there's a volcano. Yeah, that's what we're in. We're in a lava tube. Yeah, bub.
Why do lifeboats?
Why they have lifeboats? Just in case something happens. They're just for emergencies only. Like that music? What are you kids doing? Uh-oh. Not all the duckies. Find any? Are you okay? No, it's closed. Dance, dance! Dance off! Whoa! Oh, that's good! Oh, Wesley! Woohoo! Yeah, Wesley! Owen, what are you doing over there?